If we were motivated by money, we would have sold the company a long time ago and ended up on a beach. You don't need to have a 100-person company to develop that idea. Always deliver more than expected. Always work hard on something uncomfortably exciting. If you're changing the world, you're working on important things. You're excited to get up in the morning. It's quite complicated and sounds circular, but we've worked out a way of calculating a website's importance. Lots of companies don't succeed over time. What do they fundamentally do wrong? They usually miss the future. Have a healthy disregard for the impossible. If you're not some things that are crazy, then you're doing the wrong things. Small groups of people can have a really huge impact. Basically, our goal is to organize the world's information and to make it universally accessible and useful. Sometimes it's important to wake up and stop dreaming. When a really great dream shows up, grab it. If you have a product that's really gaining a lot of usage, then it's probably a good idea. You never lose a dream, it just incubates as a hobby. It's very hard to fail completely if you aim high enough. The ultimate search engine would understand exactly what you mean and give back exactly what you want. Optimism is important. You have to be a little silly about the goals you are going to set. You should try to do things that most people would not do. It is easier to make progress on mega ambitious dreams. Since no one else is crazy enough to do it, you have little competition. If you're not doing some things that are crazy, then you're doing the wrong things. Anything you can imagine probably is doable, you just have to imagine it and work on it. Anything you can imagine probably is doable, you just have to imagine it and work on it. We should be building great things that don't exist. Excellence matters. I've pushed hard to increase our velocity, improve our execution, and focus on the big bets that will make a difference in the world. Sergey and I founded Google because we're super optimistic about the potential for technology to make the world a better place. Anyone can be able to achieve their dreams, and that's what this organization does. Any conversation I have about innovation starts with the ultimate goal. The only way you are going to have success is to have lots of failures first. As we go forward, I hope we're going to continue to use technology to make really big differences in how people live and work. Obviously, everyone wants to be successful, but I want to be looked back on as very innovative, very trusted and ethical, and ultimately making a big difference in the world.